Hello friends, welcome back to Culture Mundo, your ultimate source of exploring different cultures. My name is Joanna, at 60 plus, but still feeling strong. I thank God for that. Today we are embarking on a historical journey to the medieval market of the captivating town of Vic. This town is in the heart of Catalonia, Spain. Vic is known for its history, stunning architecture, and vibrant local culture. And the medieval market of Vic is among the most anticipated annual event, which returns this beautiful historic center of this Catalan city to the past. It's an event that brings together thousands of families every year. Just imagine yourself traveling through time to the 12th century. It's like a trip back in time. And during this time, there will be cultural events taking place. Artisan shops, handmade house decorations, jewelry, clothes, freshly made Catalan delicacies like meats and sausages, Arabic takeaways all the way from Morocco, and many other things which I cannot mention. It's a place we can experience the charm and traditions of the past. Whether it's from the iconic big cathedral or the picturesque Plaza Mayor, this medieval market we are visiting today truly has something for everyone. So join me in this journey. Let's take a stroll through this extraordinary market and discover what this captivating event has to offer. Our tour starts from the Arab zone. Here, there's a mix of cultures and spice-filled air from the Moroccan, Egyptian, and Asiatic stalls. This reminds us of the rich culture of the Arab traders who once thrived in this region during the medieval markets in the medieval times. Here we could find different types of Moroccan spices, Moroccan delicacies and takeaways, all types of dried fruits, ornaments and perfumes all the way from Egypt, handbags and jewelry and clothes all the way from India, different types of herbal teas, Arabic lampshades, handmade pottery all the way from Morocco. And at the zone of the children's activities, it was not only meant for kids, but it was a great opportunity for adults to unleash the inner child with various interactive activities, thrilling rides with ponies and other games. It was truly an unforgettable day filled with joy and happiness. And here, this man was explaining on how to use olive oil to make candles. Handmade decorations, cheese and sweets. We are now at the zone of the archers. At the zone of the archers, we step into the world of precision, skill, and masters of the bow and the arrow. Here, we witness archers in action as they demonstrate their talents through impressive display of their skills and teach their techniques to those interested to learn, both young and old, of this medieval beloved tradition. Archery games and the sounds of arrows hitting their targets add a touch of the medieval times that their ancestors lived in this region. We are now at the Artisans Zone. In this zone, the cobblestone streets are filled with stalls showcasing old-style crafts. And this medieval market truly embodies the spirit of this era, transporting visitors to a time when chivalry, artistry, and craftsmanship thrived. It's a remarkable experience that allows us to appreciate the legacy left behind by those who came before us. As we explored the market, we came across this stall of the Vikings. Here, you are transported back in time to the age of the fearless warriors and epic grandeur. This medieval market of Vic truly transports you to an enchanting world where the Middle Ages comes alive. Every year, the city of Vic holds the medieval market, which attracts thousands of people from all parts of Spain, as you can see. They come to see the shows, taste the food, and enjoy the culture of the Catalonian Middle Age. It is a captivating intersection of both history, culture, and fun for everyone who visits this town. As we wandered through the streets, we met this talented street performer, and with his lively music, truly brought the enchanting atmosphere to life. His incredible skills truly brought joy to all those who gathered to listen to his music. The flickering lights from the stores illuminated happy faces as people laughed and chatted, their voices carrying through the night air. The darker it became, the more the crowd seemed to embrace the festivities, as if the night was an invitation for even more revelry and merriment. We are now at the zone of the food stalls. As we continue to explore the market, let's take a moment to appreciate the zone of the restaurants. In case you are visiting this market, make sure to visit the bustling food stalls, where vendors offer mouth-watering delicacies from the medieval era. From savoury traditional roasted meats, homemade sausages, freshly baked bread, and delectable sweet treats that will transport your taste buds to a bygone era. We stopped here for a moment to buy a cake and some sausages. This area also provides a cozy and relaxing atmosphere for visitors to sit down and enjoy a delicious meal. We are now at the area of the coins that bring luck. The coins that bring luck have been a symbol of good fortune or prosperity in various cultures around the world. The belief in the power of these coins is deeply rooted in folklore and superstition. Ultimately, the effects, whether they bring luck or not, highly depends on one's personal beliefs and cultural customs. For some, these coins may serve as reminders to stay positive, motivated, and open to opportunities, and to others, they may simply provide a sense of hope, success, comfort, and happiness in life. We stopped here to buy a leather bag. For sure, in this market, there's something for everyone.
Look, here is for your. Here we go.
From every corner of the market, the sound of merry music and joyful laughter blended together, creating a harmonious symphony. And as we explored further, we met these drummists.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
And finally, we arrived to the main square, which marks the climax of our tour. The square was abuzz with excitement as people gathered, their faces filled with joy and anticipation.
Of kindness yet for days of old lang syne.
Some couldn't resist capturing the moment, snapping countless selfies against the backdrop of the stunning Christmas tree.
Trusty friend and just a hand of fine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet.
Others simply enjoyed the leisurely stroll, taking in the festive ambient and exchanging warm smiles with fellow visitors. As our visit to the medieval market comes to an end, I hope you enjoyed this glimpse of the past just as I did.
We'll talk a cup.
And I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May the holiday season bring you joy and happiness, and I hope the spirit of the medieval market remind you of the magic that can be found in the simplest celebrations. Please don't forget to support this channel to grow by liking, subscribing, sharing, or even leaving a comment below sharing your thoughts.